So today we'll do something interesting. Stay tuned. Yep. So this was the shot we took it in the kitchen. In the kitchen. The kitchen. The chicken in the kitchen. Oh. This is the hardest part. But we need to do it. So I hope you enjoyed my video, my daily routine in the quarantine. And if you want to do a movie like this, it's extremely easy if you have the idea. You write it down on a paper and you follow it. That's it. You have the GoPro, the mount, we put in our mouth, and you finish all the shots with the beginning of the new shot. So if I'm turning from here to here, the other will start from here to here. And that's it, easy busy. Oh, and very important, you need to find sound effects on YouTube, download them and put it on top of the video to look it realistic in France, oui. And class, that's it, done. Cut.